There is a really sneaky way to make money with GoHighLevel right now. And the crazy part is you don't have to build anything, you don't need to be good at marketing, and you don't have to come up with anything original. You're literally just taking what's already working, replicating it with AI in minutes, and turning it into something that businesses will pay for month after month. Let me show you how. So what I'm about to show you is something that I am not seeing anyone do, and that's because it is completely brand new. So essentially what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be giving away something for free inside a high level. I'm gonna show you in a sec, to local businesses, okay? And then really getting them on what we really want, which is a concept called an AI front desk, which you've probably never heard of because it just came out. So an AI front desk is extremely powerful, and this is new, so it's really important that you get in on this now. Now, not only can you charge a price point of $497 a month for an AI front desk, this actually accomplishes all of the most important parts, okay, of a local business's front support and sales. So what this isn't just an AI voice agent, it's actually 3 different AI agents in one. Okay, this is kind of how we bundle this. So essentially it is these 3. It's an SMS bot to deal with all text messages, because that is a big incoming flow of messages. Number 2, an email bot, which like every business uses email, so that is like critical that you have that dialed in. But then number 3, it's an AI voice bot to deal with all voice-based customer support and sales. And between these 3, you have what's called an AI front desk. And the reason this is so powerful is because this is covering all of the main components of what you would call a front desk of an office. Because what a lot of people are doing is they're selling onesies and twosies, which is good, it works, but having all 3 makes your offer much more sticky. And in this video, I'm gonna be going through not only how to build these really quickly, I'm gonna give you some free stuff, but also how to sell this properly, okay, so that the AI front desk does the heavy lifting for you and then essentially keeps itself on because it is providing so much value through these 3 avenues. So seriously, buckle in because this video is going to be absolutely insane, and I actually have all 3 of these that I'm giving you for free in this video, and I'm telling you guys, this is the future, no joke. And while we're going through this video, if you have any questions at all during any time in this video, drop in the comments down below and I will answer personally. Let's get into this. So the key is very, very simple. In order to charge, let's say up to $497 for something like an AI front desk, we first need to get our foot in the door by offering a free trial. This is really important. Now, the first thing you need to understand is you have to have businesses that have either high call volume, high email volume, or high SMS volume, preferably all 3. But if a business has none of those things, this offer will not work. That is what I have to tell you, because so many people will hit up businesses that virtually get no calls, no emails, and no texts. Now, that's very rare that businesses don't do that, but still, it's not gonna hit the same as if a business has all of them. Let's essentially go over this. So the first step is to type in, let's say, your niche and then a location. It can be anything. It could be HVAC, electrician, lawyer, and it could be New Orleans, it could be Jacksonville, Florida, like whatever, you put it in. Then you need to go and you need to find the right businesses. So there's a couple different criteria. Number 1, you can go for businesses that aren't open 24 hours, so the AI agent can basically go through. Another is you can check the traffic of said websites to see if they have high traffic volume, and if that's true, we can hit them. So let me quickly show you how to do that. So we just hop on over to Google and we would type in something very simple. We just do free website traffic checker. Just something as simple as that, and we'll just come to these guys. Very, very simple. And then what we do is we take any URL of the business we want. So let's say we want these guys. Again, I'm not trying to pick on this company. I'm just picking random business. We come right in here and we paste, and then we analyze traffic very simply. And boom, as you see here, they got organic traffic. This is so far for the month. Domain trust has got a lot of different stuff. And it's pretty good. Like, it's a lot, you can see. And again, you can put this in the chat if you want to read the data for you. But this is really powerful. So the idea is with this, you're like, this is really cool. We have this business could work. You then need to just reach out to said business. So say we're going after these guys. We then want to figure out a way to reach them. So that can be a cold call, a walk-in, an email. You've seen my other videos where I have self-selling demos, and there's all kinds of different ways to get them through. You can drop a comment down below and I'll hook you up with one of those. We just have so many videos on this kind of thing, so it's just like ask and I'll give it to you. But from there, you're just gonna find a way to essentially reach out to them and give them the free trial. And again, that can be email, SMS, voicemail, walk-in, cold DM on Instagram or Facebook. That can be cold call. Like, there's so many different ways to get in touch. Our whole goal then, because we're going up to them, is to give them a free trial, like it can be 7 days, of the AI front desk. And then after 7 or 14 days, if it has worked, worked and they had the high traffic and it's, solved their problem, we then can charge up to $497 per month. And the best case scenario is using all three of these in tandem over time to set them up, because then your stickiness, meaning your churn rate, them leaving you, goes down a lot. The whole goal with these services, guys, and most of the stuff I post on this channel, is sustainable ways to make a recurring income with AI. Because a lot of services out here, you may get a month or two of pay, but then they're like, I don't see the value. If you're actually answering SMS, you're actually answering email, and you're actually doing AI voice calls, you're pretty much solving their entire front desk, which is like huge. So again, that's why we're offering the AI front desk. But now that you understand basically how to go and find the local business, we now need to move on to the really important part, which is how to set this up very quickly. And guess what? I have all three of these built for you for free. So let's check it out and let's get it started. So in this snapshot that's free right down below, we essentially have a couple different things. We have Jasmine, the AI voice agent. So this is the AI voice side of the front desk. We then have Mary, who is SMS. So this is the SMS bot in the front desk. And then we have Anne, who's the email bot that is in the front desk. Now, this is really important. A lot of people will lump the email and S1. Now, for AI chatbots on GoHighLevel, this is a massive pro tip that most of you don't know. You can essentially have almost every channel on one bot that's like the SMS style. So you can have Instagram, Facebook chat widget, live chat, and WhatsApp. But you do not, in my opinion, want to have email in the same bot. That is why I've built two for you, because email is a much different form of communication. It's slower. It requires longer, more in-depth things. It's way different. All the other ones are short, choppy, back and forth messages. Email is not that. So it is very important that these are broken into two, because it works better. Yes, you can absolutely put them into one, but I've done extra work for you, so it's faster for you by building this out, and it just will do a better job. So this right here is your front desk, and it's all built out. Now, what I've also done is I've put these three AI prompts inside of the snapshot that's right down below, so that you also have the means to change these AI agents, okay, the voice and the AI chatbots, to any niche you want. That way, you can go after anyone. HVAC in New Orleans, or you name it, like landscaping. Anybody. That's why we do this. So I have a lot of videos on how to change this. I'm just going to do this for one of these, okay, which is going to be the AI chatbot email prompt. But other than that, I have all this stuff already so you can change these, but I'm just going to go through one so you see how this works, and then obviously. And if you really want to see how it's all done for every single one of these, again, I think you might know if you're watching my channel by now, I have videos on this, but I'll drop a video if you ask me in the comments, and I'll just send it to you. But let's go through and let's do one for email. So say we want to do email. Okay, so we're going to click this and say we want to change this to a niche. So right now, this is Dave's Plumbing. We come into bot training, bot goals, and all we need to do is see that we have these three fields to change. So first, you can change the knowledge base with this prompt. This is also in the free snapshot down below, but we're just going to take this entire thing, paste it in ChatGPT, and then we're just going to do this. Assistant name, we'll come back here. What did we have? We had Anne, so we're just going to do Anne. Business niche, we're going to do plumbing. You put in whatever your niche is. Target customer, homeowners in need of plumbing. Main offer, hot water installs. Then we click enter. I didn't even spell that right, and then it's going to spit it out. Boom, look at that. It's all done, and all we need to do, now that it's changed, is copy, come right in, paste, match it right into goal, copy, paste, and then additional information, copy and paste, click save, and your entire bot is changed. It's that easy. We can legit change any of these agents in minutes using these prompts to any niche we want. That's how simple it is. And then from there, you have your front desk set up. Now, this is really important, because this is where this video gets super dialed. So essentially, you have these free AI prompts, you've got this snapshot, you've got all this down below, but I actually want to extend something really neat to you, and this is completely free. Put your credit cards away. Don't worry, I'm not trying to sell you something right now, which is I want to actually help you, okay? Find clients online. That's what I want to do, okay? I want to actually walk you through this process. Now, let me show you how we're going to do this, because this is really, really key, because if you can't get clients, you can't have a business. It's the most important part. And that's why I'm giving you guys all this stuff for free, so you can get started immediately and have these assets built. So then all we have to do is just immediately go into getting clients. So let me show you how we can do this. So what I want to do is I want to give you access to my entire private community, but especially my boot camp calls for getting clients for free, so that you can actually find them. In order to do this, you just have to sign up with my 30-day free trial link right down below of High Level, or upgrade with me to get access to what I'm about to show you. So this is essentially a community that has, places where you can ask questions and a bunch of client getting systems. But what we have here, which is most important, is we have calls geared towards you getting clients. So we have these calls with John, okay, that our sales bait. We have calls with Jordan, and we have a bunch of others, even with me. And the whole point of these calls is for you to hop on, talk to someone one-on-one, okay? And what they'll do is they will give you a custom blueprint and like this is what you need to do to find clients. Because oftentimes it's not just like here, watch this video. It's like you need to have your specific approach that is custom to you because this is how this works, fine-tuned. And we do all of this for free when using High Level Under Me. And as you see here, these calls are free. There's not like some sneaky upsell. This is free when you use High Level Under Me. And one of the reasons I'm so confident in this process is that I have some of the best coaches in the world in this group. Okay, these are people that I have trained, the wizard. They're mini wizards themselves. So you're getting help from me and these coaches, okay, so you can get guidance on how to properly sell. And that's what we do in these calls. We basically give you a layout, a blueprint, like, okay, you need to do this, 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 and that. And then from there, we basically give you all the hand-holding you need with all of these free assets so you can go out and actually prospect. Now, yes, this takes hard work. This takes dedication, absolutely. But if you want $497 per month and a bunch of those stacked on top of each other, you have to have a strategy. And I'm seeing so many of these guys online just being like, try this, try that, but none of them are actually giving you the hand-holding you need. Because believe it or not, if you're a beginner, you need hand-holding. And if you're advanced, you also need hand-holding. Because scaling from 10K to 50K, that's a whole different process. And yes, that involves hand-holding. And we do all of that for free in this community. So if you have any questions about this, drop it down below in the comments and I'll answer. But I really think it's important that you check this out if you're trying to grow online. I really do. There's no one that has better bonuses than me. I promise if you can find someone, I will give you a bonus, but you're not going to because I do this all day long. It's helping agency owners like you use High Level to grow. That's what we do. And again, all of this is free right down below. Now, you don't have to sign up with my 30-day free trial to get all of these. This is just me helping you out. I'm trying to give you the AI front desk. But all of this stuff is still going to be free. You just have to sign up with the 30-day free trial. And if you're using High Level Under Me, it just makes sense because it's already free. So check this out. I think you're really, really going to like it. I think it's going to change everything for you. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to link a video at the end of this video. It's going to show you more in depth how this community works and how to get it all for free. So thanks again for watching and make sure you watch the video that's about to pop up in 2 seconds because it could change everything for you.